Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is the second part of the duplex method video where I will be elaborating the method of finding square of a number by duplex method. So if you haven't seen part 1, I would suggest you to go watch that video first for obvious reasons. I would put the link in the description down below, or you can also click the I button. So now that you have watched the first video, you must remember this large number we have talked about. Yes, we are going to find the square of this number, which is 150A2018. Alright, let's start from the start. So the very first step is to form groups of digits of this very number. We will have to start from the right end. The first group is going to be of a single digit number. See here I am forming the group of one digit from the right end, which is 8. Now I'm calculating the duplex of the number. So the duplex of 8 is 8 times 8, which is 64. Now we are adding one more number from the right side, which is 1, and now the group is having two digits, which is 1 and 8. Now I'm finding the duplex of 18, and to find the duplex of 18 we have to multiply the two digits in 18, which is 1 and 8. Multiplying 1 into 8 by 2, we get 16. And now in the group one more number is added, which is 0, and this is how we find the duplex of a 3-digit number. So we take the first number and the last number of the digit, which is 0 and 8, and we multiply these two with each other, and then the product is multiplied by 2, and the number in that center, that is 1, which is between 0 and 8, we simply square the number. So the square of 1 is 1 and the result is 1. In the similar manner we proceed. This time we have 4 digits in the group that we have formed. So the group is of 4 digits, which is 2018. To find the duplex, you have to multiply 2 with 8 and then multiply the product with 2, and then in the center we don't have any number, we have a pair instead, which is 0 and 1. So we will multiply 0 with 1, so the answer is 32 here. And proceeding the similar manner, we will find the duplex of A2018, and this comes out to be 132. Next, form the group of 0A2018, and the result is 16. We are going to proceed until we get the entire digits in the group between the parentheses. Here we have 1508218. The entire number is now within the parentheses. So now we are going to calculate the duplex of the whole number, which is going to be 58. Now this is the tricky part. We have to find the duplex from here, and we'll again take the duplex of 1508201. We are leaving one digit in the last, that is 8, and this time we are forming the group from the leftmost side, but now we are forming the group from n number of digits to single digits. So we have taken n minus 1 number of digits, that is 1508201, and the duplex of this comes to be 66. And then we will consider n minus 2 digits, that is the value of n here was 8, so n minus 2 would be 6, and we will form the group of 6 digits from the left, which is 150A20. Proceeding the similar manner, we will find the duplex of all these groups until we get the group of only one digit, and we will have to find the duplex of that too. The method seemed to be very difficult at first, but trust me guys, this is going to make you very fast with your calculations when it comes to finding squares of numbers. And now all the duplexes that we have calculated so far are arranged here in a manner such that the first duplex come in the rightmost position, and to the left of that comes the second duplex, and so on, such that the last duplex holds the leftmost position in the row. Now from this arrangement we are going to drop single digits at a time to the answer row, and we are going to forward the carry of that number to the next duplex, which is on the left side of the present duplex. You see this 64? I'm going to drop 4 from this to the answer row, and now the 6 that we have with 64 is going to be forwarded to 16, just like this. And now we have to add 16 and 6, and the answer would be 22. So I am dropping 2 and carrying 2 again to the next duplex, which is 1, and 1 plus 2 gives us 3, so we are dropping 3 into the answer row, and now we don't have any carry, so from 32 I am dropping 2 and carrying the 3 forward, so 132 plus 3 gives us 135, so we would only take one digit from 135, that is 5, and carrying 13 to the next duplex, which is 16, so 16 plus 13 would give 29, so I would take 9 from this and forward 2 and add it to 84, and in this manner we will calculate it till we get to the end of the duplexes that we have calculated. You get the idea what to do here. So I'm carrying on the calculation, and just like this. And here we have the answer row. In this row I have written all the numbers along with the carries that they have produced. The numbers that I am dropping here have to be written all together, and this is going to be our answer. Thank you for watching this video, and here we have our answer.